How to use extra features of calculator app in mobile. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you about calculator extra features in mobile. So for that we will simply open calculator app. So I will click on that. Now here you guys will see normal calculator that we used, but in this video I will tell you about extra features. So for extra features you guys will simply click on top right corner here. Now here you guys can see unit converter. Maybe you guys didn't know about that feature, but now you guys know. Here in currency you guys can change any currency to any currency for free. Now length, also area, volume, weight, temperature, speed, pressure, power. Now we will back. After we back you guys can see on left side that icon, so simply click here. Here you guys can use scene, cos, tan, red, deck, log and other things. Also when we click on left side two arrows, our calculator will be float on our screen. Thanks for watching.